Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to reload your Amazon gift card. Open the website, then click on the account and list on the upper right part of the screen. Now you will see a Sign In tab. Click on Sign In. Enter your email or phone number. Then click Continue. Then enter your password, then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right part of the screen. Click on the option that says Account and Lists. On this page, you will see several options. Click on Gift Cards. Now, you will see a section from which you could reload your gift card. Click on Reload Your Balance. At the right side of this page, you will see a section for the amount. Select the reload amount. After selecting the reload amount, click on Buy Now button. That's how you reload your Amazon gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.